Instagram has added an update allowing us to add up to 20 songs or sounds to Reels. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add multiple sounds to an Instagram Reel. Now, let's get started to add multiple sounds to an Instagram Reel. Begin creating a Reel as you normally would, either by recording a new video with the in app camera or uploading a video from your device. Then tap Edit Video in the bottom left corner. At the bottom, tap Add Audio. Now select the first sound or song you want to add, tap Done in the top right corner. To add another sound, tap outside of the track. You just add it to get back to the main editing menu. Then tap Add Audio. Again, select another sound you want to add to your reel. You can add up to 20 sounds in one reel. Once you've added the sounds you want to use, it's time to edit them to line up how you'd like with your video. By default, they'll be stacked on top of each other and play at the same time. If you want to create a sort of remix where the songs play together, you can leave them this way, or you can adjust them to play at different parts of your video. Use the markers on the end of each track to adjust the part of the sound you want to use and drag it to sit at the part of the video where you want it to play. Sounds can overlap. If you want them to, tap the play button to preview your video and see how it looks with the sounds you've added when you're happy with it. Tap the blue arrow to move on to posting your reel. Choose your cover and add details as needed. Then tap Share at the bottom to post your reel. That's all it takes to add multiple sounds to an Instagram reel. Music. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.